Brielle Diaz, this is Aldi, correct?
Officers recovered 45 bags of zuggy rush packaged in a.
Sir, you can shut the fuck up. You are not a member of the jury.
Going in for cuffs.
Ah, this time I like to call Ali to the stand.
Okay.
State your full name for the court, please.
Aldi Al Sword.
So I believe this is Brielle Diaz, this is Aldi, correct?
Correct, ma'am.
Okay. Miss Brielle, can you start off with your opening statement, please?
So the charges against them is reckless evading and possession of drugs.
This character name is Randolph Burrows, bro. He's the original character.
Your Honor, today, reckless evading and possession of drugs.
Okay.
Your Honor, today we are here to present evidence against the defendant, Ali, who was found in possession of 45 bags of zoggy rush during the police investigation. Acting on reports of illegal narcotics activities, officers responded to the scene and made contact with the defendant. After following proper police procedures, the defendant was detained, informed of his rights, and lawfully searched. During the search, officers recovered 45 bags of zoggy rush, packaged in a manner consist with distribution rather than personal use.
Okay, what did can the defense please step forward?
Remember that region. How do you think?
Yes, sir.
Remember that region?
I will shred you to pieces.
Move your fucking turn self from my mina.
My client was found with drugs, but there is no clear evidence of possession before police intervention. Instead, we see a chase and arrest after surrender, and drugs allegedly discovered only after my client was already in custody. We will also show body cam footage raising
He go off duty while we in court
police
now.
conduct during the arrest and how the evidence was handled afterward. At the end of this case, we are confident you will see that there is reasonable doubt. Thank you.
Alright, just hold him there. Just not do the robber. Just run up. Stick him like it.
Going in for cuffs. You didn't just come out of jail?
Shit.
What really going on with you? Sir, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be provided for you. Do you understand these rights I've just read to you, sir?
So you alright? Fuck you. Fuck me.
Criminal threats too, disrespect. Okay, alright. Okay.
Me have 45 zuggy rush any thing.
Where you get that zoggy rush from, sir? Tell me who gave you that zuggy rush and you'll be free to go.
Yeah, any woman. That fuck.
Tell me who gave you that zuggy rush.
I can't see none. My eye damage.
Yeah, he going to court. So let me
Fix
just
it
send
first.
this.
Why you walking up on me so why you turn off?
Right, man.
Back away now, boy.
Like you ain't know about fucking me up.
That was the evidence, reckless evaded and possession of drug.
Unresisting arrest. Because he tried to run when he up out the car.
You try to run when you're falling.
Correct. That is why he was tased.
I see police
Son.
brutality and
I see police
the camera
brutality there.
get turned off.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's not about proving innocent. It is about
I-
whether
I-
the
I-
prosecution can prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt.
I don't understand how.
I start by breaking it down. First of all,
Yeah,
it have like
say,
lack of direct observation of drugs. At
fuck
no
it
point
now, now,
in that body
now.
cam footage I see my client distributing any drugs. That correct, right?
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah,
Break in chain
say,
of custody. The drugs allegedly found
fuck
in
it
the
now,
body cam
now,
were
now.
discovered after my client was detained and fully under police control. I'm gonna answer that question, right? All you know who, well, this man is?
Sorry.
Yeah, we know him good.
I don't know him.
He's
No.
a prominent character in the police force, right?
Mm-hmm.
All you know what he's known for?
No.
Nah, tell me.
I'm
No.
sure you'll see the things on the media he's reposting. Don't let me
Total.
have to go and look and repost.
If we don't have the media.
No, but it have a lot of AI things that be going on lately, so you can't really know what true from what not.
I mean, they're AI also.
Oh,
So you
hell
never
no.
know.
I believe this is guilty until proven innocent. What you gonna say it? Innocent until proven guilty, I guess.
What I don't understand is
Alright.
why I see police brutality there and the same officer have police brutality representing the
So
other
you can
officer.
shut the fuck up. You are not a member of the
Huh?
jury.
Hello. Please don't see language in my court, please.
Alright.
I-
Well, let me sum it up for you, right?
Mm-hmm.
He's a corrupt officer. So what? My bad.
Go on.
Hold on. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Sorry about that. So what makes you all think he could have planted those drugs in my client's car?
Yeah, cause we never see it.
And you have no body cam footage of him finding the drugs in the car?
Yeah, I find that weird.
Next, police conduct on body cam, right? And you could clearly see police brutality occurring in the body cam footage. Why
Yeah.
hit my client?
Yeah, pass.
My client was already in cuffs. He didn't even give my my
What's this
client a
right here?
chance to
Is it?
answer the question. And later on in the footage, you could hear him saying, "You don't know who the fuck I is?"
Yeah, that was a bit
Nah,
vulgar.
yeah, allowed to that.
That was a bit vulgar, yeah. Very hostile for a police officer.
That was very doggy style for a lawyer.
Go on.
Right, and there is no independent witness confirming the discovery of drugs in a controlled, transparent manner. We are left with a single narrative from the arresting officers, one that is not fully supported by objective proof. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Jury, how they going today?
Going good, sir.
Good.
They going
Buena
good?
good.
Everybody good. Everybody good. Nice. Man, I'm so glad to see you get your documents here.
Thank you.
It's not getting
Yeah.
drugs from. It's your wife.
Mark, Sally, a question.
And this is a
Go on.
conflict of interest.
Well, you know what kind of criminals we just had to face there on a daily basis outside on the streets?
No.
Nah, tell me.
Dangerous one.
You know how rough you just had to be with these criminals?
Being
Yeah.
rough is not always the answer, you know, but yeah, I can understand.
Okay. So on this Saturday, police responded to a drug sale. When I arrived to the drug sale, I saw Mr. Ali making the handoff. He then proceeded to jump in his car and run. For more than 5 minutes, vehicle manslaughter, bouncing off my vehicle, bouncing off the officer vehicle, we life at risk. When we do get him to stop, he's then to hop out the car and start running. And then tase the suspect, subdue him. I's a no bullshit type of officer. If I ask you a question and you looking to bullshit me, I will fucking hit you. You know what I'm telling you? To get lashed is a must. You will get lashed. So if it is that is a crime, well, I guilty. As you can see, when the WPC went in the vehicle, it had zuggy wash in the glove box. Alright? That's my case.
Thanks.
Do you guys have any witnesses to come up? Or?
Fat bottom.
Says, Your Honor.
Prosecutor, you guys can start with your closing statement if you like.
Hey, hush him out now.
Okay, no problem.
No, I wanna call up Aldi to the stand. What do you
Oh,
mean?
you're calling him to the stand?
yeah.
Okay, no
Course.
problem. You want to cross-examine? Sure.
Yeah, no, this time I like to call Aldi to the stand.
Okay. I'd have to swear you in.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat after me.
An incriminating statement, you go and get lashed. You feel police will cuff man in the face.
To tell the truth.
Well, you feel alone fucking
The whole truth.
nowhere.
And nothing but the truth.
By police will cuff you in your face, by
Me God.
fuck you talking
Help
about.
me, God.
It's a nice country, we feel in Sweden, no?
You need some God help there.
Mr. Ali,
Yes.
state your full name for the court, please.
Aldi Al Sword.
Where you from?
Are you from Westmorelands?
I'm Westmorelands. On
Yeah.
that day, you can tell me what you was doing on the beach?
I'm just having fun, you know, enjoying the sun on the ocean.
But you wasn't wearing any beach clothes?
That was my beach clothes.
How was your beach clothes? Mr.
Yeah.
Ali, police responded to a drug sale at the beach. When we come there, you can tell me what you was doing?
I was in my vehicle.
No, sir, you was not in your vehicle. You was standing and then you entered your vehicle and began to run.
I recall being in my vehicle when the police arrived.
Okay, so when the police arrive and I tell you, say you could step out the vehicle, please, why you begin to run and take us on a high-speed chase? Which is illegal,
Well-
reckless evading.
I was driving.
You was driving.
Yeah.
So 2 vehicles on you, with maneuvering you, trying to stabilize your vehicle in corners throughout the whole city, and at no point in time you wanted to stop to at least hear what we had to say.
Well, I feared for my life.
You're afraid for
I
your
saw
life.
two vehicles run up to me and ram into me. So I feared for my life. I was trying to survive.
Jury, the vehicles that you see, were they unmarked vehicles or it had the insignia, the TTPS on it? Jury?
That had TTPS on it.
Okay.
It had TTPS.
So if you see in 2 vehicles with TTPS written on it and officers telling it to stop, why will you fear for your life? It's not to say it's unmarked vehicles, and it can be men who pretending to be officers.
But
Why
the
you
thing
began
is
to
that
run?
I not too long got my citizenship. I just flew in, so I'm unaware of your customs.
So where you come from when police stop in here, they just run with TTPS right up big and bowl or police right big and bowl on the vehicle?
Well,
You
why
accustomed to
come
running?
from? Why come from has police written on the vehicles, not TTPS? I don't know what that means. What is
Sir,
TTPS?
You would like me to rewind the videos where you could see police on the side of the vehicles written?
I didn't see the side of the vehicle.
Didn't see the side of the vehicle. Okay. So, you on any type of drugs? You just use drugs? You just
No, I don't use drugs.
not even pharmaceuticals?
Only when the EMS come and prescribe something when I'm sick.
Okay. So, the zuggy rush that was in your vehicle. You can tell me who vehicle that is? Who that vehicle registered to?
That vehicle is registered to me. I don't recall any Zagreus being in my vehicle.
Okay, so the vehicle is registered to you. So anything that in that vehicle, you can clearly say that is yours, right?
No.
No. Okay. You had anyone in the vehicle prior?
The only other person that went into my vehicle was Officer Diaz.
Officer Diaz went into your vehicle?
Yes.
So what you're trying to say is Officer Diaz planted the drugs?
That's a possibility.
Okay, in the video you can clearly see that Officer Randolph Burrows went into the vehicle and found the drugs and then instructed Miss Diaz that there's drugs in the vehicle.
That is correct.
Okay, so we'll cross Brielle out of that statement. Okay, sir?
I don't recall having drugs in my vehicle. I don't know how it ended up there.
So the only person who was in your vehicle was an officer. None of your friends, your mother, your grandmother, your niece, your nephew,
can't
nobody else was
recall.
in the vehicle. You can't
I
recall.
can't recall.
You can't recall or you don't want to recall.
No, well, I had a concussion. I got a concussion. So
You had a concussion and you was operating a
Yes.
vehicle?
No, you guys gave me the concussion because you crashed into me.
But you can clearly see that you hopped out the vehicle and you started running and I had was to tase you. So
No,
how could you be
see.
standing and
I
you
was
have a
not running.
concussion?
I did not run.
We need to play back the tape, sir.
Yes, please play back the tape and show where I was running from you and you had to
Brielle,
tase
you
me.
can play back the tape when he was tased, please. Now, if this man have a concussion, how could this man be tased, stand back up on his 2 foot and then ask me if I turn?
Remind him that lying in court is a crime, man.
I asked you if you turn.
Look.
Going in for cuffs?
Yes.
You didn't just come out of
Pause
jail?
it, pause it, pause it.
What really going on with you? Sir,
Pause
you
it,
have
pause
the
it.
right to remain silent. Anything
Pause it, pause it, pause it. So, you can clearly see where the vehicle is and you can see where he was tased. If this man was in a concussion, he would have been in his vehicle and I would have to take him out the vehicle. He was clearly at least 10 steps away from his vehicle, so which means he hopped out and he was moving. Huh?
Show where I was running. Show where I was running.
I could show where you was 10 steps away from your vehicle, so clearly you didn't have a concussion. Brielle, play the video.
Going in for cuffs? You didn't just come out of jail?
Shit.
What really going on with you? Sir, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used.
When I came out my vehicle, it's a reflex to put up your hands. Everything was hazy from that point.
You did not put up your answer.
I could
You
have
exited the
barely
vehicle
seen-
and you began running.
I could have barely seen anything. Couldn't see at the time. A lot was going on. It was a heated moment.
That don't stop the fact that you're in possession of narcotics in your glove box.
I don't recall being in possession of any narcotics.
Jury, I rest my case. I will give all a chance to decide on what happened in here.
Thank you.
We can move forward to closing statements.
Yeah, no problem.
Evidence has clearly shown that the defendant, Ali Al-Sawad, was found in possession of 45 bags of Zoggy during a lawful police investigation. The quantity was recovered was far beyond what was reasonable considered to be for personal use or content of distribution of illegal narcotics.
Members of the jury, this case comes down to one question. Can the prosecution truly prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt? There is no direct proof of possession before police contact, a clear gap in the chain of custody, and evidence that only appears after full police control of the situation. With these inconsistencies and concerns over conduct, the evidence cannot be fully trusted. We ask you to return a verdict not guilty.
At this time, I would like to read the jury members' order because we will be taking a 5-minute recess break for the jury members to deliberate.
Is even a case?
Jurors, this
See?
is based on verdicts solely on evidence presented in court. No jury, no juror shall accept money, gifts, favors, or any form of bribe from any party. During deliberations, all phones, radios, and communication devices must be surrendered. Any jury member found accepting a bribe shall be imprisoned for 60 months, pay a fine of $300,000, forfeit all monies received, and cause the case to rule in favor of the non-bribing party. Is that understood?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
See.
When I was asking you guys to put your phones in this basket.
Yes, I.
Xerxes done it.
Richard. You see what Xerxes?
Normal.
Basket and thing, yes? The school,
Phones and radios.
Patrol me in this way.
You always had a shit by.
Jury. Judge, what is your name, Judge?
Judy.
Judy. Miss Judy, that room over there is that room?
Okay.
Is this man with you guys? Hello, sir?
If you walk around with that basket being cute, so.
Can I get officer to just be in the room, please?
Officer?
Yeah, just to make sure that
Tell a man go in that room with the jury there now, please. Or him. Miss him. Tell a man or miss him go in the room with the jury, please.
How do I go send corruption in the
Yeah. Sit. Fuck it now, man.
No problem.
Who's this officer here? Is this it?
Excuse.
What? What? You wanna go to the washroom?
No thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, fuck them up, G. Hello, me too,
Man, I can't I see there, way.
Hello, I look like an American, that character.
Talk about that. Man, I'm mad in the courtroom, yes? Hey. There's no way chat, if I've been honest, dog, I think I could smoke.
Dog.
When you push the dog, Clover. Hey, J-Man, thanks to the rose, bro. Appreciate it. I just see it.
Upon my gun, people.
Hey, watch fucking you know.
No good have a tea next to people long time.
I don't even care for this.
The man put GPS on the car borrows. Take it off.
Take it off.
And now take it off then.
Ahí tola, kaya makbit.
You proceed, Judge Judy.
Yep. I was about to call them out.
Yeah, we good
We're
there.
about to proceed, okay.
I so fucking fat.
He actually feeling sick if I take a pregnancy test.
At this point in time,
Take a pregnancy test.
Yeah, now you're trying to ask me. Don't
Cut
check
off
me
your
out,
teeth,
right?
man. I
That's
don't
what
think
you're
you are hassle.
You're blocking the whole place, dog.
Yeah, good day, everybody.
I'll say now, what you think about this?
Sammy.
Huh?
What you think about this?
Yes, I think he's guilty.
I believe.
I think you're
Let's silence in the courtroom now, please.
He's guilty because the defendant recklessly evaded the police, which means he has some type of guilt. And well, even though it have a lack of evidence of Mr. Burrows in the vehicle, the defendant said that there was nobody else in the vehicle other than her, which came into the vehicle
But the body cam
after.
footage clearly shows that's incorrect, and Mr. Boris saying.
Ma'am, I object. Now is not time for arguing statements.
No,
now it's
no.
time for the jury to state the case.
Correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Is that
So-
all, Mr. Sami?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Next.
Good day, everybody. My name is Joe Vicent, and I would like to say that I think the defendant is guilty because, as my fellow jury said, the defendant is reckless evading and
Excuse me, Mr. Burrows, sir, please.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
yeah, the defendant is reckless evading, and that is not the correct thing to do.
I move from Miami, where the fuck, boy? Turn on. Walking behind me and thing.
free you by G by free you dog.
Good day.
Freedom is a must.
It's Shazi. And I say he is guilty because he was still running when the car say police
My
and
brother,
police
that
on
jury.
it. So if you
Sol.
know why, he say he don't know it was.
So you can stop moving and fidgeting in the court, please.
When it did say TPS and PD.
I'd like to speak to my lawyer, please. Can you go back
Sir,
on your
now is
side?
not time to speak to the lawyer.
And the last juror, Mr. Ford.
Okay, my name is Tina Garcia. I find out the man is guilty because he run for police here.
Now they got translate
In
here,
the
way.
police, and I don't understand why he was running. So I think that I find that he's guilty.
Okay. It is hereby said that Mr. Aldi is found guilty of all charges of reckless evading and possession of drugs.
Waiting for cuffs.
Then I don't cuff you, fool.
You don't study, what are you doing? Turn up. See what going on there? Smarty pants. Alright, WPC, let me go with him.
Yeah, we're going.
Ma'am, where's the sentence? Where the judge? Ma'am, you can tell me, where's the sentence, please?
60 months.
60 months? Oh my god.
She said 60 months. But
What you do?
somebody going away for a long time.
We look into exit the jail. The suspect was found guilty. Watch me back. Hello, man. Bottles, this is.
Alright, 10 4, yeah. We're going on there.
Found guilty.
Come on, I'm gonna get my
60
vehicle.
months.
Yeah, we're coming in my vehicle. I'm gonna get my vehicle. Let's go.
Now we're coming through the
Coming
front.
in the front, right, right in front there.
The fuck are you so short?
I was song to play for you.
Yes, you come and check.
Read me right, right? Oh, you don't need to.
Read me right, read me right.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney if you cannot afford one will be admitted to you. Do you understand these rights I've just read to you, sir?
I go with him.
What the answer? Don't give me sentence.
Don't give him 60 a little hard. You can give him like a 20 or so.